Hello there, welcome to our channel. Are you confused in choosing plan on Surfer SEO? Well, I am here to help you. The link is in description, you can easily follow it from there. Okay, so if we talk about the pricing of Surfer SEO, if you choose monthly billing here, your essential plan will start from $89 where you will get two features, that is keyword research and you can invite two members. Then in scale plan, it will start from $129 and from there you will get three features. After that we have scale AI which is started from $219 per month. You can also choose yearly billing if you want to bill yearly. Now if you are still confused between choosing these plans, you can simply scroll down and there you will find this option compare all features. Simply click on it and then you will be directed here. Now from here you can choose a plan which fulfill your needs. Like if we talk about the tools, so in content editor we have 30 articles per month in essential, and if we talk about scale AI, so there we will get 100 articles per month. So you can choose the plan which fulfill your needs. Like if you want to post 100 articles, you can go with scale AI. Now if I scroll down, so there you will get different features. You just need to make sure that is this feature is available in this plan or not, and then you can choose the plan. In this way you can select the plan which one is better for you or not. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Bye.